Hey there guys, I am back and it is time for our BOXYCHARM unboxing for August 2018. Now, I did ask you guys if you wanted me to continue doing these unboxings and a lot of you were like, yeah, keep doing them. We don't care if they're early, if they're late, it doesn't matter. We just want to unbox with you guys. So I'm going to keep filming these as long as you want to see them. And as I mentioned in my last video, BOXYCHARM has been sending me my boxes now and they send me a little bit earlier. So I might be able to get these out earlier in the month. So we'll see as the months progress what we do with this. But this box has some interesting things in here. So we're going to talk about it. We're going to get into it, you know, as we do. But for those of you who don't know, BOXYCHARM, it's a monthly subscription service. You can either pay monthly or you can pay in increments of 3 months, 6 months, or to a year. The longer you keep your subscription, the cheaper it will be. So if you pay for the full year subscription, which is a one-time payment, you will get it cheaper than paying for it monthly, which ends up being $21.99 or $22 per month. You actually get 4 to 5 full-size products, so the value of the box tends to be well over $100. And there are some well-known brands that are available in the boxes. So I've been happy with most of the boxes so far. Some of the products are duds, some are not that interesting, but overall you do get a pretty good value for $22 a month. So let's go ahead and jump into this August box. Now this month we got some sneak peeks. We knew there was some stuff coming. We'll save that for the end because that one's a controversial one. But in the box you will get the little pamphlet that gives you the theme of the box and then gives you the information on the product. So this theme is Life of the Party. So alright, I'm going to jump ahead to the lashes. So they included a pair of lashes from House of Lashes, which I actually really like House of Lashes lashes. This is the style Noir Fairy Mini. These are actually a very popular style from House of Lashes, and the mini size means it's just smaller so it fits your eyes a little bit better. You don't have to trim them. So I do like these. These have a thicker black band, so be careful with these. These are synthetic and they're a thick full lash. I would still have to trim these though because they are still a little bit too long, and be mindful that the band of these are a little bit thick, but these retail for $9 to $12 depending on the style you get. So these are cruelty free and they're high quality and long lasting. You can get up to 15 wears out of this. If you care for your lashes enough, you can get tons of wear out of your lashes. And I find that House of Lashes actually has really good quality lashes and their lash glue is really good. So I think this is a great thing to get. We also have a Smashbox lip product. So it says it's an assortment of lip products. I got an always on liquid lipstick. This retails for $24. So apparently you can also get the regular cream stick lipsticks, like the original traditional cream lipsticks. I'm actually really glad I got a liquid lipstick. The shade that I got is, spoiler alert, this is a mauvey nude shade. This is actually one of my favorite shades. If you're looking for a mauvey shade, this is a great one, and the formulation is actually one of my favorites. I feel like they have been sending out my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. Like they did a shade from Galactic, which I love. They did an Ofra Cosmetic shade that I also loved. And now they're doing Smashbox. Now these are expensive. So this is $24. This is actually the cost of your complete box plus more in one product. So I love that. I am happy to see that there's a Smashbox lipstick included. Let me know what product you got from Smashbox. Did you get a regular traditional lipstick or did you get their liquid lipstick? Let me know. And then next on my list they included the Wonder Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe the under eye. These retail for $13. And there are 3 included. You know what? If it has hyaluronic acid, that is a good thing. It has glycerin in here. I'm a little bit apprehensive about that lavender oil though, because essential oils can be a little bit tricky, especially under the eyes. So I want to try these out. Wonder Beauty, they include a lot from this brand usually as well. So it says apply for 15 minutes. I'm going to try these out. I have a drier under eye. I've been noticing that my under eye is, so I'm we get 3 of these. I'm going to try it out and have a good time with it. Then we have this Bang Beauty gel eyeliner. So this is in the shade Chocolate. It says use as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. This is $22. So it's a cream or gel product. So you can use it as an eyeliner, which is cool, as a brow pomade, or you can use it as an eyeshadow base. I'm going to try this out as an eyeshadow base because I love that tone. Like, I love a chocolatey tone, and I love a cream eyeshadow for this all over just one and done look. And I'll even try it in my brows and see. I don't really use things like this as cream eyeliners, but we'll see how this goes. That's all right. All right, now come on. Let's see what else you got. We also got something that I'm not interested in. This is the Adesse, ooh, New York. It's this brand. It's a cuticle oil. So it's an age-defying nail treatment essential. It's sweet almond cuticle oil. It retails for $18. It says treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticle, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. So it's in this nail polish applicator. It has sweet almond oil in it, so it should smell pretty good. And you apply it to your cuticles. I should use more cuticle oils. I don't really do that. I should. So it's good to have one. I'll probably toss this in my bag so I can just use this at my desk. You know, when you're just sitting at your desk, you can use this. So it's handy. I wouldn't necessarily pay $18 for a cuticle oil though. There are too many on the market for me to spend that much on a cuticle oil. But it's good that they included it. Not something like I'm like, oh my god, we had to have this. So that means we got 6 full-size products this month. That's a lot of products. Now here we have the controversial product of the box. This is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. They sneak peeked this. People were excited. They were like, oh my god, this is awesome. Laura Lee released her makeup line, so she's new on the market. She's pricey. And then she released these mini palettes, and they were included in the Party Animal palette in the collection. But lo and behold, Laura Lee had to get herself involved in some drama. So, in case you haven't caught up with the YouTube beauty community drama, it's like as the world turns, there's always something. So, Laura Lee and her compadres were on a brand trip in Ibiza with NARS Cosmetics. It's the Naughty Four. It's Manny MUA, Gabrielle Zamora, and Nikita Dragon with Laura Lee. You know, they're the friendly bunch. They're out and about. They took a picture with their middle fingers up, kind of trying to replicate the Kardashian-Jenner photo that they did for Kylie's birthday party where they had the middle finger up. Anyway, they did that. The problem is Gabrielle, who is the younger, newer, up-and-coming one, posted that with that picture with a caption that said, he's bitter that we're doing better without him or something. Obviously, it was a dig at Jeffree Star. And Jeffree Star has been getting a lot of positive press since the Shane Dawson docuseries. Alright, I understand. A lot of people are on Jeffree Star's side. So I appreciated his story. I get that he's coming from a place of hurt. And he's been through a lot in his life. To me, he's actually lived a couple of lifetimes. Like, he's been through, like, this transformation. He's done so many different things in his life. So I commend him for that. He's now a multi-millionaire going towards being a billionaire. He's very successful, but there's a lot of hurt and anger still there. And we saw his side of the story. I'm okay with that. My problem is we didn't see anybody else involved in telling what Jeffree Star is really like. So we heard what Jeffree Star is like from Jeffree Star's perspective. Which, be careful with that, because if I told you about myself, no, well, I'm a very open person. I will tell you that. I will tell you the bad things about me. Like, I am very unemotional. I am a colder person. I am not really the best kind of friend to have because I tend to want to stay by myself, and I'm not the person that's going to call you every day and see how your day, like, I'm not that good friend, and I will speak to my best friend like every couple of months, like time will go. So I will tell you those things about me. Jeffree Star is showing you the best side of him, and so that's all we saw in the docuseries, and we're seeing like the reasoning, excuses, why he's the way he is, why he lashes out, why he's so vengeful, why he's so vindictive, why he just, to me, he's been changing a little bit, but not like significantly enough. And this is why I was open to seeing what he had to say in the docuseries, because I see a change. He's not lashing out as much, but he's still out here being loud with customers and people, and I don't like that kind of personality. I don't like people that just lash out, and you can't use your past as an excuse to still lash out. You may not be saying the N-word and racial slurs or being that kind of person, but you're still being a nasty person. So I am still not a Jeffree Star fan. I am still not shopping his cosmetics. I'm still not supporting him, but I understand a little bit more about his story. But however, these people posted this. They were friends with Jeffree Star, and now they seem like bitter people because he's getting all this positive press. They posted this picture, so all these fans, all these newfound fans went after him. All these people that have now forgiven Jeffree Star went after Gabriel, went after the other three, and they were digging up tweets and things from their past Instagram posts. So they pulled up racial slurs from Gabriel's past. In an Instagram post, he used the N-word with the A, and then he went on a tirade on Twitter talking about how Jeffree Star, yeah, y'all may see the good side of him now, but he was friends with him when cameras are off and phones were put down, and he used the N-word with the strong R, and he was still racist, and he was like how he can't be racist because he's taken so much black dick. What a whole heap of consumption and creation and pure excitement. Lord of mercy. I can't take it. Oh, the whole thing is a little bit too vulgar for me. Like, I'm okay with, like, I curse a lot. So I say the F word a lot. I curse a lot. And I don't mind sexual talks. But when you're just it's too much. It's too much. But anyway, then pull up that. And then pull up things from Laura Lee that Laura Lee was saying. Now, I'm about to curse, so cover your ears or take the children out of the room. I'm giving you ample warning. Laura Lee has a tweet that came up from 6 years ago. She's saying from 2012. And it said, tip for black people, pull up your pants so you can run away from the cops faster. You fucking bitch. Excuse me? Black people are being killed out in these streets just by being black. And don't give me that Blue Lives Matters bullshit. Yes, Blue Lives Matter. And yes, Black Lives Matter. They're not mutually exclusive. Like, they can coexist. It is not one or the other. Both matter. But why is it just because of the color of my skin, the color of my husband's skin, the color of my nieces and nephews' skin? Why is it that you're so fearful of us that you shoot us down without second thought? Shut the fuck up, Laura Lee. I swear to God, she got me so hot. Because nothing I hate more than people that are so fucking inhumane and insensitive to the plight of black people in this fucking country. Oh my God. This bitch is going to say, I am sorry, I am hot, and I curse. Like I said, I warned you guys. I am so hot. Don't fucking tell me that Tamir Rice, a child, was he 11 or 12? A fucking child playing in the park with a gun. Who didn't play cops and robbers? The kid was in the park by himself, and a fucking white person who was, oh my God, he's gonna shoot people. He's 12. Are you fucking kidding me? But he's black, right? So he's no longer a child, he's a man. Because when you post your headlines, all of a sudden our 16-year-olds are men and women, not kids. But your rapists that are 29, oh, they're just kids. Like Donald Trump Jr. is just a kid. How is he just a kid? He's a grown-ass man. But let it be a young kid, a young black kid. All of a sudden, he's a man, right? Ooh, really? He's that intimidating? He's that scary to you? This child was gunned down. Cops just came running in and shot this child. And you had the fucking nerve to say, pull your pants up so you can run away faster? You don't understand how much this shit kills me to see this on the news and to hear this shit. It pisses me off. And for her privileged Alabama ass to say such a thing, I literally want to punch her on sight. Like, just right in the throat. Hold that down. You can't breathe? Oh, okay. I'm going to come down from that. So I don't give a fuck about her palette. I don't care about her channel. I don't care about her. I don't care about anything. No. And the palette, that's the sad thing, because the palette looks like it could be something that I'd be interested in. But I can't do it. And this was before the whole thing blew up. So BOXYCHARM wasn't a part of this. And I hope that more brands are taking this into account, that these influencers that are representing your brand have to be held accountable. So I'm going to sign off because I can't end this on a positive note. But I will be doing more BOXYCHARM videos. It's just that this one took a turn because of one of the products that were included. Stay safe, guys. Hold on to your loved ones. And let's pray for a better world. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. I don't want to wait for 10 years. I want this to happen tomorrow. So, I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.